Well, that kid sure knows how to make a mess. And when it comes to packing our clothes for when we head out on a trip, I have implemented some rules so that they're not going crazy with the amount of clothes that they bring and just making a mess every time they reach in to try to pull out something to wear for the day. All the rest of the clothes go flying everywhere. And it just is a little bit of a burden that I've alleviated with the 5-4-3-2-1 rule when it comes to packing your clothes. So let's go over that list right now. At the top of the list here is 5 pairs of socks and underwear to bring. You always want to make sure to change your socks every single day. And if you get caught in the rain or something and you need to change your socks, it is so nice to slip in to a nice, clean, warm pair when you get back to your RV. Now, the undies, I didn't do any video of that, with the hearts all over the undies and whatnot. Make sure to bring that pair as well. Next on the list is 4 tops. My general rule of thumb is to always have 4 t-shirts, but it really is weather dependent, whether they be 4 t-shirts, 4 long sleeve shirts, or a combination somewhere in between. If you're not exactly sure the weather for where you're going, it's always safest to bring 2 or 3 t-shirts and then 1 long sleeve shirt, just in case it gets a little bit chilly. Now, when it comes to covering your behind, take 3 sets of bottoms. It'll differ a little bit here between the ladies and the men. So whether it be a skirt, a kilt, pants, or shorts, find some combination in there for where you're going so that it meets your needs, but just take 3. All right, ladies, do not get mad at me about this one, but only take 2 pairs of shoes. I know, only 2 pairs of shoes. Trust me, you'll survive. You're gonna want a practical pair and a pair for your destination, whether that be hiking boots, sandals for the beach, or some nice shoes for going out. For this last one, it is a little bit of a special category because you get to bring 1 of each, whether that be a hat, sunglasses, swimwear, jewelry, anything along those lines. You just have to make sure to not overdo it. And again, it's destination dependent. If you're going somewhere to play in the snow, you're probably going to want to bring your snowshoes instead of your swim shorts. That is unless you're going to a hot spring. Now that we've gone over all of the items on the list here, it's not a hard, fast rule saying that you can only bring so many of a certain item. Wherever you're going, take it with a grain of salt for what you need to bring. If you're going somewhere that you're going to be out in the dirt, in the mud, whatnot a lot, you might need 5-6 pairs of pants just to make sure that you can come back and have something clean later on, right? So, wherever you're headed, I hope you're having a lot of fun, and pack right so that you're not overpacking and causing a burden on those around you, trying to sort through all of your clothes, etc. I hope you guys have a lot of fun on your adventures. Please join us on one of ours coming up in the future as well. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you on another adventure. See ya.